Good day! In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the statistics of the following numbers using the graphic calculator. To do that, we have to input the numbers 3, 7, 8, 11, 15, and 16 into the graphic calculator so that they can churn out the results for us. So the reason why I chose this number is because these are the numbers that was done for how to calculate the variance and standard deviation in my previous video. So to do that, let's do it. So first, you go to the menu button and you see the screen in front of us, the menu button. Then you are going to find the stat button. The stat button is just one button to the right of the first button. So just stat and you press the execute button. Once you are in the execute button, you have a list, four column of list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4. Now is the time to input the data. So you're going to input 3 and press the execute button, followed by 7 and followed by execute button, 8 execute, and the rest of the number 11 execute, 15 execute, and 16 execute. Okay, so at the moment you can see there are 6 numbers on the screen, so you have entered all 6 numbers. The next step you're going to do is that you are going to press the second function, which is called the calculate, F2. So F2 is calculate, so you calculate F2. And the last step you need to do is press the one variance or F1, press the F1 and all the statistics will appear. So now the statistics will appear in such a way that you have X bar and so forth. So I'm going to explain what does X bar and all those stuff mean. So X bar is actually the mean. So the mean is that you just take all the numbers, 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 and divide by 6. That is mean. Okay. The second number is sum of X. Sum of X means you add 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 and that will give you the sum of X, the second function there. And then the third function is sum of X squared, means you square the number. So 3 squared plus 7 plus 3 squared plus 7 squared plus 8 squared plus 11 squared plus 15 squared plus 16 squared and that will give you the sum of X squared. Then there are two numbers, sigma X and Sx. Sigma represents the standard deviation for the population, while S represents the standard deviation for the sample. In most cases, we will do Sx because we are calculating the sample rather than the population. So that number will represent the sample standard deviation. N is the total number of numbers there, so there are 6 numbers, so N should be 6. Okay, now we are going to calculate the spread mostly. Okay, the mean X is the minimum number, should be 3. Q1 is just the lower quartile. MED is the median. Q3 is the upper quartile. Max is the maximum number. And mode, because our numbers, there's no mode because everyone appears only one. They appear 6 mode in your calculator. Okay, so to calculate the range, you just need to take max number minus the mean number. To calculate the lower inter-quartile range, you take third quartile minus quartile 1 and the median is given there. So besides that, I think this straight explanatory and you should be able to do this calculation without any problem at all. Just key in the number into the calculator and you should be all good to go. Cheers everyone and have a good day.